Imagine all the heavy-duty vehicles that keep our supply lines strong and allow our economy to grow. Imagine that they produced zero emissions.
What's going on with the truckers? I would hate to make this statement, but I believe that the current administration does not care about the truck drivers that are here now. And the reason why I say that is because, today, just actually an hour ago, Vice President Kamala Harris, she partnered up with the EPA to make an announcement. Basically, they want to go zero emissions. And by 2027 to 2030, they want all zero emissions for all heavy duty trucks. She talks about a small town that lives near shipping warehouses and how they can't breathe. Well, I'm sorry to say it. I love kids as much as everyone else. But you know what? Besides the soot and the smog that she's talking about that truck drivers are bringing to that town, they're also bringing food, milk, water, eggs. I mean, I can't say this enough. Name 5 things in your house that didn't come on a truck. I'll give you everything I got.
Folks who are living in neighborhoods and communities across our country where they are in close proximity to large shipping warehouses or major highways. In Mariloma, every day, heavy-duty trucks made more than 15,000 trips to that town's main roads, bringing with them, of course, soot and exhaust, and the air turned toxic.
Because that's what it really is. And you know what? It does sound nice on paper that everything's going to be zero emissions. But the truth is, that's not really that great for the environment either.
Imagine a future. The freight trucks that deliver bread and milk to our grocery store shelves, and the buses that take children to school and parents to work. Imagine all the heavy-duty vehicles that keep our supply lines strong and allow our economy to grow. Imagine that they produced zero emissions.
And the second part to that is, mother truckers, how many of us can afford these electric trucks? Not many. I'm telling you right now, a lot of us have made a lot of investments into the equipment we have, and we need it to last for a long time. Now, mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. But we got to be careful. This VP is trying to make a name for herself, and the EPA is riding that coattails. So, mother truckers, just know this. We got to be very careful what they try to propose and make sure that we vote against it, because they're going to try and put it in something with daisies and roses and Disney World. But I'm going to try and stay on top of this. But mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts about this.
With the help of the American people, we are building a better future for all who call our dear country home.